Yamaha Motor Manufacturing finally officially introduced its newest motorbike on June 12, 2024, this time. The all-new Yamaha NMax Turbo 2024 was officially introduced. Highlighting the word turbo since a few days ago and releasing a teaser video, Yamaha Indonesia really brings a turbo feel to its newest Maxi Scooter this time. The all-new Yamaha NMax 1 55224 comes with riding modes, aka driving modes that can be selected by the rider. In terms of appearance or design, the all-new Yamaha NMax Turbo 2024 itself has undergone many changes compared to the previous model. The headlamp, aka the main light, now uses projector LEDs on the front and is vertically stacked. Meanwhile, on the right and left, there are white LED DRLs. The front turn signals themselves are on the far right and left sides. Meanwhile, the middle part of the body still seems to have a very strong Yamaha NMax aura. The design lines of the Yamaha NMax can still be felt with two riding positions. The rider can stretch out his legs so it doesn't get sore easily when traveling medium to long distances. On the middle deck, of course, there is a tank, quite large capacity fuel. The Yamaha NMax Turbo 2024 also still maintains a tandem seat with dimensions that are quite wide and have soft foam. With a wide and full body, it certainly makes its appearance even more maxi. Meanwhile, the rear lights are made separately on the right and left. For the turn signal lights, the back also uses LEDs with a minimalist but still cool design. Continuing to the features section of the 2024 Yamaha NMax Turbo, apart from being equipped with a fully LED lighting system and the use of two LED projector headlights, there are also several other interesting features. One of them is the presence of a new meter panel complete with mid and Y connectivity feature. Even the driver can monitor map navigation on the TFT screen. For the Yamaha NMax Turbo, there are also two driving modes, namely T mode for town commuting or for use in urban areas. Meanwhile, S mode, namely Sport Touring, can be used when driving which requires more acceleration, such as when traveling out of town. Here are some of the features you can rely on. Moving on to the specifications for the 2024 Yamaha NMax Turbo, it uses a 155cc capacity engine. This engine has a single-cylinder SOHC 4-stroke, 4-valve, and liquid-cooled configuration. Especially for the turbo type, it comes with YECVT or Yamaha Electric CVT technology. For performance, the Yamaha NMax Turbo 155 itself has a peak power of up to 11.3 kW, or the equivalent of 15.36372 PS at 8,000 RPM. Meanwhile, the maximum torque reaches 14.2 Nm, which is achieved at 6,500 RPM. In terms of performance, the engine torque has increased from 13.9 Nm to 14.2 Nm.